Meet Nobby. Nobby runs a small successful service business. He's got great clients and money in the bank. Remarkable, because Nobby is a walking disaster. Just the other day he stepped on a rake, was chased by bees and ran through a plate glass door. For the third time this month. Nobby spends more time in hospital than he does in the office. But because he uses Zentrack, a mobile business management tool which allows him to run his business from anywhere, he never misses a trick, a potential sale or a deadline. Clients love him, and the nurses think he's rather special too. Zentrack means he can manage his business from bed, even a hospital one. In a single click he can see what his team is up to, what they need to finish their work and their next job. He's so good, he's never out of work. Or hospital. www.zentrack.co.uk. Telephone +44 1737 303 000.